How to share real-time location on Google Maps. So first of all, open Google Maps, and on the map, you will see your current real-time location. Tap on it. Now once this pop-up opens, you can see Share Real-Time Location. Tap on it. Now once you do so, you can also choose a specific duration for your real-time location. You can tap on this plus button in order to increase the duration or tap on the minus in order to decrease it. You can also tap on until you turn this off for duration. You can see various suggestions option, or you can see various applications you can share your real-time location from Google Maps. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.